Hey everybody, Kartik Subramaniam over at ADHI Schools. Welcome to your real estate tip of the week. Now, another thing to keep in mind, of course, is that every city and county in California is required by law to have a comprehensive long-range plan for development. That plan is known as the general plan or the master plan. So every city and county is required to have this long-range plan for development. Now, of course, zoning is how that general plan is implemented. If you look at the city of Industry, for example, local to our office here, what do you think the general plan for the city of Industry sounds like? It's industrial. So if you owned 50 acres of land in the city of Industry and you wanted to build 50 houses on your land, you might not be able to get map and plan approval for houses because that residential use might not be consistent with the general plan. So the general plan of an area is a comprehensive long-range plan for development, and it'll say what you can and cannot do with the property. Like, what are the odds you can open, I don't know, let's say a strip club in Sierra Madre? Pretty low. I mean, Wacko's here. Where's the nearest one? You know. Okay, Wacko, yeah, right, enough, right? But the point is that the general plan for a city like Sierra Madre or a city like, Palos Verdes is probably not going to let you open a strip club in Palos Verdes because it's not consistent with the general plan. So again, a comprehensive long-range plan for development is known as the general plan, and zoning is how the general plan is implemented.